first time I came to Legal Aid to meet with Faith, I was really nervous. I didn't know what to expect. It's not something you can prepare for. And having her there in court, it was good to feel like someone was on my side. I just got home from work and I told him that I'd prefer if he didn't stay there. He didn't like that idea. He just started with hitting me in the face, and it had never been so hard, like to the point where I couldn't tell if his fist was open or closed. And he just stood over me, beating me. He picked me up by my neck and threw me into the door across from us. He sat on top of me and smashed the back of my head into the concrete. Whenever I was in the hospital, I just had a lot of time to think. Honestly, the next time it happened, I felt like I was gonna die. Up until the protective order was filed, he was texting me, calling me, FaceTiming me. It just keeps him from being anywhere near me. And going through the whole court process, I don't think without legal aid that I would have even went through with the whole thing, because I couldn't have done it alone. I moved on campus. I have tons of new friends. Kind of just try to stay on track as much as I can, because that's what's most important to me, is finishing school and being something in my life.
Denied for my upgrade and my discharge. They couldn't come up with no reason except for it been too long, or they didn't take any medical examination of me or tell me to go see a psychiatrist or tell me to do any of these things. They just kept turning me down. I had a rough time when I got back to the States, and it seemed like nobody wanted to help. You ask for help, all they can tell you is shake it off and forget about it. Things will pass. Some things never pass. And that's some of the days I stayed in legal services. They look at it as helping somebody that's been needing help for 47 years. Mr. Davis is one hell of a human being. We're not giving up. We're not giving up. That was his famous words. Remind me of General Patton, or MacArthur. I hope there's many more Mr. Davises out there to help veterans like me. Go to your legal aid, ask them for help. You won't get turned down, and make sure you have somebody that's fighting for you.
Services of Southern Piedmont helped me get coverage through the Affordable Care Act to see my doctors, to get my prescriptions, which are life-saving for me. There's like an aftermath after you leave the hospital. You might have medical bills, you might have this and that, and I had all those things. I did not qualify for Medicaid, and I was very confused. Why would someone leave a person like me that has a life-threatening illness without insurance? But then it's crazy how things can change. And once I met Madison, very nice over the phone. I was able to come into her office that same day, get insurance that same day. I was completely shocked, and it gives me a peace of mind because I can do what I'm supposed to do as a mother, concentrate on, being there for my kids and being happy. I don't have to worry about not having insurance. I don't know what I would do if I didn't have you guys. Legal services saved my life, literally, and I'm very grateful. Thank you so much.